Maxie, can you put it on the car? Put it on the car. Was that a little bit cold? Yeah, he's got it all over himself. Okay, let's see. What are you doing?
I'm covering.
Good job. Get it, buddy, get it. Oh, Sophia, stop at the gray line, all right? Yeah, because cars might be coming down. Good running. Holy cow, good runner. You getting it? Well, buddy, it took you 10 seconds to get all soaking wet, huh? So much for washing the car. Fastest runner ever, Sophia is. Yesterday was a big runner day. You are. Look, he's drinking it. Nothing like drinking from a fire hose, huh, buddy?